There you have it. That's how the booster panel functions. When the panel trips, when the main panel goes into an alarm and it trips the sub panel, you saw that the troubles blink solid. When you hit silence or reset, they shut off for 2 seconds and then they turn back on and they go back to blinking and flashing. So, there you guys have it. There's your demonstration right there. So, and pretty soon I'm going to have those NAC troubles cleared because I just ordered N-align resistors yesterday, so they should be on their way in a couple of days. So, and those troubles should be cleared for the next test. I only have these alarms hooked up for demonstration right now, so anyways, there you guys have it right there. And I have a different pole station hooked up, but I have a big surprise, and that's going to be for the next test. But I ordered another alarm, but I gotta wait for my alarm to come in like next week. So a new system test will be coming out next week, guys. So stay tuned for that sometime this week. And there you guys go. And hopefully you enjoyed this Potter booster panel, PSN-64 power supply, NAC extender panel booster. So, hopefully you enjoyed this. I love this panel. Thanks for my friend David. I pretty much have 2 panels, pretty much, but this one really can't be used as a control panel, but it can be, but it gets the job done. But this is the main panel, so this is the sub panel. So I basically have 2 panels, and really like how it's getting the job done. This is a very neat panel, and I really love it. And some people were questioning me about this panel. This panel does not put out FWR at all. Trust me, it only puts out filter DC, just like the main control panel does. So there's no FWR operation in the system. So there's your answer, guys. So both of these panels put out filter DC. So this is filter DC. This is not full wave rectified power. This is not full wave rectified power either. This is only filter DC. This is not a Firelight panel, guys. This is not an MS5UD. This is a Ancient Release. This is an Ansel panel. So there you go. Alright. There you have it. And that's it.